Campus parking is expected to be a big conversation at the Auburn Board of Trustees meeting this Friday.
The university is looking to expand campus parking by adding 300 spaces for students living on campus and an additional 300 spaces for students who commute. The 600 spaces total would cost $3.5 million, or $5,833 per space.
The spaces for on-campus residents would be added to the West Campus parking lot located on West Thatch Avenue. The spaces for commuting students would be located in the Hayfield parking lots located on the corner of South Donahue and Lynn Morrison Drive.
The project is pending final approval. The spaces will be paid for with parking fees and money from the university's general fund. Construction on the spaces is expected to be completed this summer, and additional lighting and landscaping will also be added to those areas.
The university is also currently completing the new South College Street parking deck that will add 600 parking spaces.
The board is also expected to vote on final approval for renovations to the village dining facility.
The 22,700 square feet of renovations will include equipment extensions and modifications, as well as general dining room improvements.
The first phase of the project will begin in May, and the second phase will begin in August. According to Associate Vice President for Facilities Dan King, the facility will be closed this summer but will reopen for the upcoming fall semester.
The project is estimated to cost $3.8 million and will be financed by dining services with funds from Aramark Dining Contract.